2 months ago, my best friend Sarah moved to another city, and I stayed completely alone. Don't cry, Lily. You are a wonderful girl. You will find a new best friend, I promise. But days passed, and I still didn't have a friend.
Look at that house! Yeah, let's go see! Race you there! You're on!
Oh, try this one on. It will look great on you. Wow, I love the color. Thank you. But then, one day, a new family moved into the house next door.
Lily, look outside! We have new neighbors! Come on, let's go see!
New neighbors, really?
Yeah! Look! Right there!
Wow! You're right! Let's go! Hi there. We just moved into this house today. Are you our neighbors?
Yes! Hi, my name is Lily, and this is my brother Mike. Nice to meet you. I am Wendy, and these are my twin sisters. This is Smart Sue. This is Gloomy Grace. Sigh. This is Sporty Sally.
Hi, I'm Sporty Sally.
And this is Baking Betty.
Let's be friends!
Yes, let's be friends. And just like that, I had 5 best friends at the same time. It was like a dream come true. And even though they look exactly the same, they are completely different. Let me tell you about each of them. First, there's Smart Sue. She's so smart. She reads big books every day and loves physics and chemistry. Sue's always experimenting. It's so interesting. I've even gotten better at school thanks to her. Wow! Look at the lava, Sue! It looks like a real volcano! Chemistry is magic, Lily, but it is real science. Physics is also very fun with Sue. She can make electricity out of ordinary fruit.
Oh, the light bulb is shining! How is that possible? There is no plug.
The energy is inside the lemons, Lily. It flows through the wires to the bulb.
Amazing! Lemons are powerful! Hey, girls! What are you doing? Can we play too?
Yeah! Is it time for a new experiment? Yes! Welcome to the biggest experiment today. Elephant toothpaste! 1, 2, 3. Stand back! It doesn't taste like toothpaste.
This is the best sport ever! This is the best!
Sue, I think we need a very big shower now. Yes. The chemical reaction was a bit too powerful. And this is Sporty Sally. She is absolutely amazing and good at all kinds of sports. Thanks to Sally, I learned to skate.
Ouch! The ice is very hard today, Sally.
Don't worry, Lily. Falling is part of learning. Let's try again.
And I learned to ride.
Whoa, whoa!
Slow down, please, Sally, help me! Hang on, Lily,
Relax, Lily. Sit straight and breathe. You can do it. And how to ski. And even how to skateboard.
Wow, look at me! I am skateboarding! See? You are a real athlete now, Lily.
The next twin is Baking Betty. She loves clean rooms and perfect order. She also loves beautiful hairstyles. Look at me, I feel like an ancient queen. But most of all, she loves to cook. Lily, let's bake the biggest cake in the world. Oh yes, let's do it. We made such a big cake that we were even shown on the news. Betty, this cake is amazing. How did you do it? I just love baking. It's my favorite thing. This is breaking news. 11-year-old Betty just baked a masterpiece. Betty, what is your secret? It's all about using fresh ingredients and lots of love. My name is Betty. I love baking. When I grow up, I want to get married, live in a huge house, and have 10 children. Usually, mothers prepare school breakfast. But for my friends, Betty prepares school breakfast for everyone. Next is Gloomy Grace. She loves the color black, dramatic facts, and she always sees the world in a dark light. Just one meteorite destroyed all the dinosaurs. And did you know that a huge meteorite is flying toward Earth right now? It will wipe out all of humanity. And look at this. The temperature is rising every year. The glaciers are melting. Very soon the whole Earth will be covered in water. But we are doing absolutely nothing about it. We must protest.
Save the planet! Save the planet! Save the planet! Planet!
Grace dramatizes everything, but sometimes her dark facts make a lot of sense. Don't smile at the sun, Lily. The sun increases the risk of skin cancer, and it makes you age faster. We are getting wrinkles right now. Oh no! Give me that cream! I want to stay young forever! I want to stay young forever! Oh no! Stop! Look at my arm! What is it, Grace? I don't see anything! It's a wound! A terrible, dangerous scratch! Look, there is a tiny drop of blood! Millions of deadly bacteria are entering my body right now! My temperature is rising. I feel a terrible infection coming. My blood will turn black, and I will die right here on this grass. Call the hospital. It is the end. Grace, relax. You are not going to die. It's just a tiny scratch from a bush. There, a protective shield. You are safe now. A pink Band-Aid? With butterflies? Lily, my dark Gothic reputation is completely ruined. But you are going to live! True. This magical butterfly item saved my life. I will survive until tomorrow. And finally, the last of the twins, Wendy. Wendy is wild, eccentric, and always getting us into trouble. But life with her is never boring. For example, last week, Wendy decided to do a good deed and feed the stray cats in the neighborhood. We bought the most delicious and expensive cat food and went to find them. Here, kitty, kitty, come and get a delicious lunch.
Wendy, I think there are too many cats.
Help! The cats are chasing us! Wendy never thinks before she acts. She loves big ideas. Yesterday, she decided to fly a giant kite in a strong wind. Woohoo! Look, Lily, I'm flying! I'm a bird! Wendy, let go of the rope. Come down. Wendy, no, let go now. Please, it's too dangerous. Wow, that was a great flight. Let's do it again. No, Wendy. Next time, we fly on a real airplane. But our biggest disaster happened on Tuesday. Wendy bought a secret super stretching bubblegum and proposed a competition. Let's see who can blow the biggest bubble in the world! We blew and blew. The bubbles became bigger than our heads! We spent the whole evening combing the gum out of our hair. It was a complete nightmare! But looking at Wendy's funny pink hair, I just couldn't stop laughing. Yes, Wendy is completely unpredictable. But because of her, every ordinary day turns into a movie. So, my lonely days are completely over. Now I have 5 best friends. They are incredible, crazy, and so interesting.
This is the best.
Totally, more sprinkles. If we eat this too fast, our brains will freeze, and our hearts might stop. Every day is a new adventure now. I never know what will happen next, but I know one thing for sure. I am the luckiest girl in the world! This is the best! Totally!